So welcome back to the channel. So I'm with Ace here and he's Pajero. The issue is his AC is not cooling well. So we are trying to diagnose what's the issue. AC diagnosis, like my cousin, you know Alren, he's also coming today.
Oh.
Yeah, he has a AC issue. Now, what to look at when you have an AC issue? First, if it's really totally not cold, then just check your compressor. So your compressor is connected to the belts. So just follow the belts and you will see the compressor. Then it has a clutch. If the clutch is turning on and the AC is not cold, then the issue is not your compressor. It probably a pressure, which is like what Ace has, or the TXV valve, the TX valve. So with Ace, if you can see, so the pressures are very low. Low side is just above 30 and the high side is just above 150. So for 33 Celsius, so for this temperature, the low side should be around 50 and for the high side it should be around 275. So we are going to put some Freon.
We're going to use.
Yep. Honeywell.
Do we need to shake it, master, before?
No need.
No need?
No need.
Alright.
What we need to do is to purge it. Because now, this line is now filled with air. If we don't purge it, the air will go in your system.
To purge it first.
Yeah. Don't do this at home. Wear proper PPE.
Safety first.
Upside down natin. Hawak mo lang. Okay. So we put it upside down so that because of gravity, fluid will be on the bottom, gas will be on top. So if you purge it right side up, then only gas will come in. So the process of purging will be longer. So putting it upside down, the fluid will be at the bottom. So if we purge it, it will going to be fluid. So if you are refilling your system, always refill on the low side. Because if you refill on the high side, this will explode. And then just add gradually. Because you have to wait for the system to stabilize. Rev mo nga tol ng 2,000. So he needs to rev it up to 2,000. That's where you should take the reading. So when you almost reach the right pressure, turn the valve off and then just consume the rest of the fluid. I mean gas, because right now it's taking gas because this is half full. Okay na? So while trying to read the reading, spray some water on the condenser. Ang galing, ang talino, binasa. So you will see while you're spraying, the pressure will go down.
Go down, yeah.
So we mentioned that we are going to get 270, right? 250. Lagyan pa natin konti siguro. 275 exactly. So 275, 300, but you don't want it to be on 300 because when you get stuck in traffic, then your pressure will go up and then your AC will be hot. Kaya, ubusin na lang natin to para masip-sip niya. Kasi sayang din naman yung freon. Pag nasip-sip na, sakto. Photo finish, 275.
Dito, regardless na to.
Again, pag ito, babasahin mo siya pag nag-off yung system. Kasi yun yung pinapalamig niya yung loob, di ba? So 40.
Ano yung target natin
Okay na.
dito?
40 to 45. Ito, 40 to 50.
40 to 50.
Kasi 45 yung 32 degrees. 50 yung 36 degrees. So in between, pwede na. 40, ganda nga 40. Wag lang below 40 kasi mag-freeze.
So around 40. Para hindi siya magano.
Yan, dito mo babasahin, no? 40.
Ay, pag ganyan, automatic naman pala, no?
Perfect yan.
Ayos, oh. Galing.
Okay, basahin mo naman dito ngayon.
Kaya dito siya babasa.
So 275.
Ano? Galing nga.
Kasi habang tumataas ang pressure mo dito, bababa to. Kasi vacuum yun eh.
Oo, tama.
So it's creating vacuum. This is creating pressure. So once your compressor turns off, this will go up. But it should not go up too much because if the pressure goes high, then your AC will be warm.
Normal lang ba?
Humidity. The more na humid, di ba? Yung baso mo, kapag malamig, kita mo, pawis. Same concept, same theory. Let's check the temperature. Inside, temperature by the vent. 18 degrees on an 18 degrees setting. 18 degrees, ubra na ba?
Alright. Thank you, Master.